Hello guys, my name is Desmond once again. Guys, I've just noticed that I actually ran out of battery in the middle of the lesson. So now let's consider this as part 2 of the lesson. Okay, remember guys, I was actually formulating an equation for calculating 80% of that hemisphere. Okay, very much important, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just quickly going to redo that part as part of a part 2 of this lesson. Remember, the question said if the lid is 80% filled with a liquid as shown in figure 2, calculate the volume of the liquid in the lid. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that means we've got 80% of V. I think I've actually explained that part, which is equals to, obviously we've got a 0.8. Remember guys, I've indicated that 80% is actually a 80 out of 100. Okay, so percentage means over 100. Okay, so this thing in decimal is 0.8. Okay, so it's 0.8. It means it's 80% of hemisphere. Okay, so that means you've got 0.8 multiplied by hemi, which is represented by half. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, hemi half. I've just noticed that we can release a very nice song there. Hemi half. Okay, multiplied by what is the volume of a sphere. It's given there as 4 divided by 3. It doesn't end there. You've got pi r cubed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very much important that you understand that we measure the volumes in cubic meters, cubic centimeters, or cubic millimeters, depending on what the unit is. What matters the most is that it's measured in cubic meters. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very much important. So now let's continue with substitutions. Okay, so obviously guys, we've got 0.8 multiplied by 1 over 2. These are just the numbers guys. We're just writing the numbers and we only substitute the r, which is, remember guys, this is that same r of the can. Okay, because this lid fits exactly on the top of the can. Okay, so what is r is 2.9 close cubed. Okay, so it's in most cases where you're most likely to forget that cubed. Okay, please at all times make sure that you don't forget to write that cube, and again, most importantly, you don't forget to punch it on a calculator. Okay, so now we've got 0.8 multiplied by half, which can be 0.5 multiplied by 4 over 3 multiplied by pi. What have I done guys? I need to go back. Let me just cancel and start over. It's 0.8 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 4 over 3 shift pi. In between, let me just multiply and then multiply by into 2.9 close to the power 3. Okay, very much important, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting 40.864. Okay, so that means it's actually 40.86. remember the unit is in centimeters, then it's centimeters cubed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very much important that you fully understand this part. Okay, so now this brings us to the end of part 2. I hope you enjoyed guys. but remember we have to mark this question before we can conclude. Okay, so obviously guys, this question was allocated 3 marks. You can even mark it for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, you're most likely to get a mark for formulating that, and again we give you a mark there for correct substitution. We also give you a mark for the final answer. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please do make sure to get these question papers on my Telegram channel. They are posted there, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I did. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Desmond, and I'm out.